I'm not supposed to be doing this because I came late, mainly because I was not feeling too well. If you get to get like, yeah, today's competition. This is me before. I think I've not even creamed my face. This is me before. Like, I just finished warm up. No, I actually finished like 20 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago. And I look a mess. Look at my skirts. Look at, see, how I came is different from how I look now. I look like a total mess. But who gives a fuck? Yeah, I did my tiny too. I don't know how it's here, but my skirt too is wet. But this one should not come to my face. Tessa! This is my first competition as an OAU student. Yes. Yeah, an OAU student. I did some when I was like 8, 7. That's like a long time ago. Like, let's say 10 years ago. I'm old, I know. Who gives a fuck?
Change your mouth.
Who is that?
What happened?
No, the guy also to fall down.
Oh my god.
Thank God I didn't.
But
This is 50 now. Is it 100?
I think it's 50 or it's 100.
Blood of
Now why do you
Jesus.
chance this?
Drop the leg.
Feeling 6, drop the leg.
23. Adjust your legs.
But who is that?
Change your marks.
Oh my god. See, you know what they mean. You know he has come out already. See there.
Go! Stop! Go, 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 go! You will hear my voice today. Go! Go!
115, I got fucked. Up of 6. Ah, good. It was not like I'm so tired. Like I was just panting. The legit thought I was going to faint, but no, I did not. And I'm craving donuts, but I think I'm not allowed to eat donuts. I'm not even allowed to eat till after, so I'm not vomit in the pool. Okay, whatever happens, happens. Ah, you guys. iPhone, that's what the fuck.
Stand.
It's not going to fall.
Calm down.
Leave him now. Pull your pouch, pull your pouch.